updates, updates. Okay, just gonna turn this off, my music. And the Spring Festival, the fun adventure that is for all jammers is here. You can you find 100 spring eggs that are hidden throughout the land? No, probably. Mushroom Hut is back. A new tassel decorating. Oh, that's cool. Ooh. I'm every day to win gems, diamonds, and even more rare items in the daily. We want to find out Celia, yeah. And yeah. This isn't the best update. I was kind of looking for them to come out with the falcons now, or bring back the hyenas or the kangaroos. I prefer hyenas, but I guess the Spring Festival is here. And Lucky Clovers! So that means you can still do Lucky Clovers as well as Spring Festival. What do you get when you're done collecting all of... Ooh, I almost fell backwards. But yeah, what do we do? What? I don't know. Oh, Easter egg! I am so excited for spring to come. How about you guys? Okay, I'm gonna go to the den. I'm finding it right now. What? Anything? No. Okay, I thought it said I only had 12 diamonds. That's scary. Okay, I want to check this out. So this is all of them. This is just the furniture. I have 156 plushies. Decorations, all. Plants, wallpaper, pets, and wall items. And then all together, I have 500 out of 500. And that is really cool. What's that? I have 999 gems. Ooh, happy. Oh, am I even recording? Yes, I am. I will be right back. And yeah. Okay, I am back. So, nothing really new. That is actually really exciting. I'm trying to pass the Mushroom Hut. The Mushroom Hut is most likely for diamonds. Oh, it's not! Yay! Okay, I'm gonna get rid of some of my gems. Some of these gems I don't even use. But what I think isn't really fair is... Oh, I have 5,000 now. Let's buy a Mushroom Hut. Is that if you already bought a den with diamonds, I bought the Lucky Castle, I cannot buy it again without paying 5 more diamonds, which I think is some baloney. Yeah, it's deserted. But I don't know what you can get from the Spring Festival. It's probably gonna take a while, like most of these adventures do. Like epic prize at the end or something. Wait, you know what? I should probably do this as an eagle. Oh, well, sorry about this, guys. Once again, the virus is back, so yeah. I hate having a virus on a computer. And me and my mom are...
Important security message.
No.
Please call the number provided as
pause. Well, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this update video. Even though there was really nothing, but yeah, comment down below what you want me to do. I'm gonna do some transfer mice right now. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye. Please like and subscribe.